The yogurt is from Greece. It's from Grecian. Okay? They produce it here in Greece. So it's a local product. Yeah?
Le premier ingrédient le plus important, ça va être le yaourt grec.
Oui, c'est ça, c'est du yaourt grec.
Maintenant, c'est marqué, sur les pots,
Il y a longtemps qu'on en trouve.
c'est important.
And then guys, this is cucumber. Okay? We take it all the way from Morocco. This is from Morocco. Yeah, Morocco. This is from Morocco. What we need to do, we're gonna put everything, ingredient by ingredient, inside of the yogurt, and then we're gonna mix. Here we have chef Bet, my assistant, applause. He's a minion. What we need to do is very simple. We go from here and we start pushing. Okay? Very, very easy. Go. Easy. No, it's fine. Easy. From here. This is from the chef. Go. And now, my assistant. Let's go. Come on, assistant. My assistant professional. She worked in UK, in London for 25 years.
I'm old now.
Yes. Professional. Bravo.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Move.
Now stop. Now. Bravo. Now we move on. The next step. My assistant Bet, she's gonna mix. And now we mix. Oh, allez, oh. Come on. Allez, let's go, Bet. Let's go, Bet. Bet with this.
It's got to be made before. Absolutely.
Bravo. Shoot them, sticky. Bravo, Bet.
There we go. Made lots of water.
Perfect. Then mix a little bit more. Okay, perfect. Now, we move on. Next step. We're gonna put a vinegar. We take it all the way from Africa. Okay? We take it from Cameroon. From Cameroon, where is Musa from?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put one. Oh. Emma special get it for us. She got in the bike. She was swimming to there. Yeah, swim. That's why she do aqua. Okay, now we mix. We mix. Attention, at the end, we're gonna get a shot of ouzo for everybody, okay? Emma is gonna make sure everybody have a ouzo inside of the cup.
Voilà, c'est la partie la plus importante. On va vous faire goûter du ouzo.
Now. Yes. Now, next step. We're gonna move on. You need the pepper. Do you know pepper from which country we take it?
Est-ce que vous savez d'où il vient le poivre?
Bulgarian, de Chine.
No, from USA. From the garden of Antoinetta. She have a garden with pepper. So we take it from there. Now my assistant. You know what to do?
Not too much.
Okay. We move on now. Now we mix again. We mix. We mix again. Let's go. Bravo. Okay. Now we move on. Next step. Very important. A very strong taste. It's the garlic.
De l'ail.
Here. Oh.
Oh là.
Oh. Make a photo. Oh. No, it's okay. Oh. The garlic. Now. We are careful because it's very
Yeah,
cold.
this is make or break them.
Now we put one. And my snippet. We mix. Mix.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bravo! Now, we move on to the next step. Very, very important. It's a local product. You know what is this?
Oil. L'huile d'olive.
No, olive. Olive, it's from Crete, okay?
Quand même.
Here in Greece, in Crete, when the hotel finish, you know, when Marina Beach closed, it's November 5 we close, and then many people go to work in the mountains, you know. In the winter, everybody goes to the mountains and they collect olives, okay, so that's a really local product.
Ce qui est spécial ici, c'est la l'huile d'olive. Dès que les activités les hôtels s'arrêtent, on est ici, l'hiver, on peut ici, ils sont dans les oliviers, etc. Ça, c'est si vous étiez là avec notre enfant, c'était ce matin, il y a 300 minutes des oliviers ici en fait. Toutes les familles.
Also, Greece is the biggest supplier in Europe for olives. In France, France, Germany, all these big countries, Greece is supplying them with olive and oil. That's why it's very, very expensive. Very much. Now, we're gonna put one spoon. Ale. 3, 2, 1. Oh. And now half spoon. Half. Perfect. And now we're gonna mix. Everybody get ready. Mix. Carefully, all around. Let's go. Don't. Mix. Yeah, of course. All the corners. Don't. So far, we have this. Oh la la. Oh. Okay, it's in France. So, how we put it? Very special way. Ready, everybody? When I put it, you say, oh. Okay. Two songs, so 1, 2, 3. Oh. Perfect. Come on, Ben. One more. Everybody? Oh my God. Bless you. Shake it.
No, not too much though, not too much though. Just this.
Don't worry. This is part of the plan.
Absolutely.
Let's go. We mix. And now it's time for degustation. Who is going to degustate? Who needs one guest? Degustate.
J'ai vu ce volontaire.
You with me